Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is a weekend update of the Wealthsimple TFSA Portfolio. This is the third update for the weekend. We've been going for basically a month now. We started the channel on April 1st and now it's May 1st. So we've been going for a month. We've done only the one deposit into the TFSA. So what it is I'm transferring the money that I earn from my other YouTube channel revenue that comes through. I am putting that into my Wealthsimple portfolio, trying to build this up to $100,000. So we are started out, we're at the very beginning. So thanks for following along. We've had a bunch of subscribers join throughout the week, leaving comments, questions. I really appreciate it. So if you aren't subscribed, consider subscribing to follow along and grow. If you have a channel yourself and you want to try and join along the challenge, start growing your channel as well with Wealthsimple. So we've got the first month behind us and we'll go to the update in the portfolio in a second, but this is an update on the YouTube earnings. They still haven't reconciled for April yet. So I will do an update video to let you know how much we'll be transferring in. I think that will be all should be done by tomorrow after the weekend. Probably by Monday we'll have all the numbers back, so I'll be able to make a transfer for Monday for trading to be able to add to the stock portfolio. So let's drop into the TFSA. We will show you basically the growth so far. We're still up a little bit and we had our first dividend. So let's jump into that right now. Okay, here we are. This is the TFSA portfolio. We have been going now for an entire month. Now it does say we're up zero, just the way the rounding works, but we are up $2.13. And we also had in our trade, we had a dividend that was paid from TransAlta Renewables, paid a dividend on our 5 shares. And so we gained 39 cents in our first dividend. We should be getting some more dividends coming up this next month. We'll go through the portfolio and then I'll let you know what dividends will be coming. So in the last day, basically we were down a little bit actually on Friday, but for the week we were up again 7.69. So it was kind of like up and down throughout the week, and altogether now, so we are up a little bit on the portfolio, $2.13, not bad. Just been going for a month, so we're gonna add more stocks on Monday once the transfer comes through. So we are still in the same. We have Cineplex. This one is down. This is our growth stock kind of play on the portfolio. I will buy more of this because the price is down, so we'll kind of average our price down a little bit. And Greenlane Renewables is also down. This one is down actually 10% altogether, but I still am pretty optimistic with this one. I think it's a good long-term investment. So what I will do once we do our next deposit, we'll get some more Greenlane Renewables as well. That is under stock ticker GRN. The star of the portfolio right now is the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, REI.UN, and we are up 7% there. You always wish you would have put everything into one, but that's just not how, hindsight is always 20/20. So this one, we will definitely be putting more into, and this one is actually going to be paying a dividend. We will have some dividends coming in May for REI.UN. TransAlta Renewables is also down as well, 6.93%. So $7.25 on the portfolio. We have 5 shares of that still. We'll be purchasing this one. This is the one that I received a dividend from. We received a dividend for our 5 shares, and altogether it was for 39 cents. So we have 40 cents now. We had a penny left from before, so we're up to 40 cents with our first dividend. The VDY, Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. This one was up and down a little bit on the week. If you've been following the stock market, it wasn't necessarily a great week for that. It was just really kind of up and down. So this is kind of reflective in this, but we are up a little bit, 0.99%. So that's good. $3.75. We'll be getting a dividend coming from this one as well. And I will be investing some more with a deposit into VDY. I don't think at this point, I do have a bit of a watch list, but I don't think I'll be purchasing anything different in our TFSA. They seem to be going kind of where I want it to go as we kind of build the portfolio up. So that's our update, weekend update. That was for the month of April. So we're going for 1 month, like I said. Thanks for following along, everybody. I am going to be doing a update video. There'll be a couple ones coming. There'll be an update video for the YouTube earnings from the channel for April to show how much we're going to be investing for April. And then I will do an update once we purchase those stocks to see how many we get and what we've actually added to the portfolio during the week. And then as usual, during the week, we kind of do a like midweek update to the portfolio as well, just to kind of see how they're doing throughout the week with the market. So please consider subscribing, following along, and if you want, even better, if you're joining the challenge, let me know in the comments below and let me know how your portfolio is doing as well. So thanks everybody for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks for all the likes on the channel, and I will see you all in the next video.